Next students, just now I discussed with you about the advantage of Mendeleev's periodic table. Now there are few disadvantages also of Mendeleev's periodic table. First disadvantage is anomalous position of hydrogen. Anomalous position of hydrogen means position of hydrogen is not fixed. Actually it is placed because it is the lightest element and the lowest atomic mass. So it is placed hydrogen 1 atomic mass placed in 1A, group 1A. And group 1A elements, they are also called alkali metals. Group 1A elements, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, these are group 1A elements. And 1A elements are also called alkali metals. So hydrogen, as its atomic mass is 1, lowest atomic mass, it is placed along with group 1A. And it has properties similar to alkali metals also. Hydrogen has some of the properties similar to group 1A elements, means alkali metals like lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. All these group 1A elements, they have one electron in their outermost shell. Hydrogen also has one electron in its outermost shell. So many of the properties of hydrogen similar to 1A group elements, alkali metals. So hydrogen is placed along with 1A group elements, that is along with alkali metals. But hydrogen, many of its property is also similar to group 7A elements. And 7A elements, that is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. These are 7A group elements. And group 7A elements are also called halogens. And 7A group elements, in their outermost shell, 7 electrons are there. And they have 1 electron less to attain the electronic configuration of nearest noble gas. Because noble gas outermost how many? 8. Halogens outermost shell how many electrons? 7. So to attain the electronic configuration of nearest noble gas, 1 electron is less for halogens. Hydrogen outermost how many electrons? 1. Hydrogen also 1 electron less than nearest noble gas helium. Because helium outermost shell how many electrons? 2. So like halogens, hydrogen also has 1 electron less to attain the electronic configuration of nearest noble gas. So many of the properties of hydrogen is similar to 7A group elements, which is also called halogens. So hydrogen should be placed along with 7A group elements because properties of hydrogen similar to 7A group elements, halogens. Property of hydrogen also similar to 1A group elements, alkali metals. So the position of hydrogen in Mendeleev's periodic table is anomalous, not fixed, where it should be placed. But it is placed along with 1A group elements, alkali metals. Why? Because it is the lightest element with lowest atomic mass. But properties similar to 2 group elements, 1A alkali metals and 7A halogens also. So this is one of the disadvantage of Mendeleev's periodic table. Position of hydrogen is anomalous. Okay. Next, second disadvantage of Mendeleev's periodic table is position of isotopes. Students, isotopes, when Mendeleev was developing his periodic table, isotopes were not discovered. Later on it was discovered. And now what are isotopes? Isotopes means atoms of same element having same atomic number but different atomic mass. This you have studied in class 9th students about isotopes. One example I will tell you. Chlorine exists as isotopes. Atomic number is same 17. Mass number is different 35 and 37. So what is isotopes? Isotopes are atoms of same element having same atomic number but different atomic mass. Atomic number same means protons same, and protons same means electrons are also same because atom is neutral. And when electrons are same, electronic configuration will be same. And when electronic configuration is same, electron in the outermost shell is same. So chemical properties are also similar for isotopes. So what are isotopes? Isotopes are atoms of same element having same atomic number, or you can say similar chemical properties but different atomic mass. So what are isotopes? Isotopes are atoms of same element having same atomic number, or you can say having similar chemical properties but different atomic mass. So chlorine atomic mass is different isotopes 35 and 37, and in Mendeleev's periodic table elements are arranged in increasing order of atomic mass. So that isotopes of chlorine, chlorine 35 and chlorine 37 should get different position. Second, in Mendeleev's periodic table elements with similar properties are placed in one group. So isotopes of chlorine, their atomic number is similar, so chemical properties are similar, so they should get one position. So the position of isotopes in Mendeleev's periodic table is anomalous, not fixed, because isotopes means atoms of same element having similar chemical properties but different atomic mass. When atomic mass different, the isotope should get different position, isotopes of the elements, and chemical properties similar, they should get one position. So isotopes should be placed at one position or different position should be given. So this is controversial. So position of isotopes is anomalous in Mendeleev's periodic table. This is second disadvantage of Mendeleev's periodic table. Okay. Now third disadvantage is anomalous position of some pairs of elements. Some pairs of elements are there, their position is not fixed. Like cobalt nickel, second argon potassium, third tellurium iodine. These are the pairs of elements whose position is anomalous, not fixed. Why? Because in Mendeleev's periodic table elements are arranged in increasing order of atomic mass. So cobalt atomic mass is 58.93 and nickel atomic mass is 58.71. This is not in increasing order. Next pair argon 39.9 and here potassium 39.1. Again the atomic mass is not in increasing order. Then tellurium atomic mass 127.6 and iodine atomic mass is 126.9. This also elements are not arranged in increasing order of atomic mass, because elements with higher atomic mass is placed before element with lower atomic mass, because cobalt atomic mass is 58.93 which is higher than nickel atomic mass 58.71. Now why it is done so? Here similarity in properties is given preference, because property of cobalt is similar to rhodium and iridium of group 8 and property of nickel is similar to palladium and platinum of group 8. So in Mendeleev's table two things are kept in mind. Elements should be arranged in increasing order of atomic mass. Second, elements with similar properties should fall under one vertical column. So properties of cobalt is similar to rhodium and iridium, properties of nickel similar to palladium and platinum. So element with higher atomic mass is placed before element with lower atomic mass. So this is anomalous position of this pair of element. Second pair argon and potassium. Again argon atomic mass 39.9, slightly higher atomic mass, placed before potassium with lower atomic mass 39.1. Again here what is taken into consideration? Properties. Properties of potassium is similar to lithium, sodium, rubidium, cesium of group 1a. So it is placed here. And properties of argon is similar to noble gases like helium, neon, krypton, xenon. So it is placed in 0 group. So here what is taken into consideration? Preference is given to similarity in property. So elements with higher atomic mass placed before element with lower atomic mass. So position of this pair of elements is anomalous, not fixed, not going according to Mendeleev's system of classification. Next pair is tellurium and iodine. Tellurium with slightly higher atomic mass 127.6 is placed before iodine with atomic mass slightly less 126.9. Here again what is taken into consideration? Similarity in property. Property of iodine is similar to fluorine, chlorine, bromine of 7A. So it is placed along with 7A group elements. So slightly higher atomic mass tellurium is placed before lower atomic mass iodine. Here not arranged in increasing order of atomic mass. So this is again a disadvantage in Mendeleev's periodic table. Anomalous position of some pairs of elements. What are the pairs of elements? Tellurium, iodine, cobalt, nickel, argon and potassium. Slightly higher atomic mass element placed before lower atomic mass elements. Why? What is taken into preference here? Similarity in properties. Okay. Now next disadvantage is no resemblance of elements within subgroups. No resemblance of elements within subgroups. Like 1A group elements, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. Their properties are totally different from 1B group elements. What are 1B group elements? Copper, silver, gold. This copper, silver, gold are coinage metals used to make coins. These are group 1B elements, copper, silver, gold, and group 1A elements are alkali metals, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. Their properties are totally different, but they fall under the same group 1. And according to Mendeleev, all the elements which fall under one vertical column, their properties should be similar. So these subgroups A and B, they fall under the same group 1, but their properties are totally different. So no resemblance in properties of elements of subgroups. This is next disadvantage of Mendeleev's periodic table. No resemblance of elements within subgroups. Okay. Now next disadvantage is different groups for similar elements. Different groups for similar elements. Like copper and mercury. Copper, it is placed in 1B and mercury, it is placed in 2B. Two different groups, but their properties are similar. So different position is given for similar elements. Elements with similar properties, somewhere different groups are given. Different position is given. So this is the next disadvantage of Mendeleev's periodic table. Different position for similar elements. Elements with similar properties placed in different groups. Example, you can discuss copper and mercury. Copper placed in 1B and mercury placed in 2B. Properties are similar but placed separately. Okay. So, and next disadvantage is uncertainty in prediction of new elements. Uncertainty in prediction of new elements. Why? Because here elements are arranged in increasing order of atomic mass, okay, but between two elements, the difference in the atomic mass is not similar. It varies. So you cannot predict between two elements how many new elements could be discovered. Like atomic mass here is 6.9, here 9. Difference is 7, 8, 9, 3. Here atomic mass 9, 10, difference is only 1. Atomic mass 10 and 12 difference is 2, 12 and 14 difference 2, 14 and 15 difference 1. So difference in atomic masses of the elements is not same. So you cannot predict between any two elements how many new elements could be discovered. So uncertainty in prediction of new elements. So total how many disadvantages students we discussed in Mendeleev's periodic table? 6. First disadvantage, position of hydrogen, because properties of hydrogen similar to 1A alkali metal also and also 7A halogens. So where to be placed? Position is anomalous, but placed in group 1A along with alkali metals because it has the lowest atomic mass. Second, position of isotopes is also not fixed, anomalous position of isotopes. Because isotopes are atoms of same element with similar chemical properties but different atomic mass. So if atomic mass is different, isotope should get different position, and if property is similar, same position. So position of isotopes not fixed in Mendeleev's periodic table. Then third disadvantage, anomalous position of some pairs of elements like tellurium iodine, cobalt nickel, argon potassium. Here higher atomic mass element placed before lower atomic mass element. Here similarity in properties taken into consideration. So this is anomalous position of some pairs of elements. Next, no resemblance of elements within subgroups. 1A, 1B elements, their properties are totally different but placed under the same group 1. So if they fall under group 1, their properties should be similar, but the properties are different. No resemblance in properties of elements within subgroups. Next disadvantage, different groups for similar elements. Elements with similar properties placed in different groups. Not all, somewhere. So this becomes another disadvantage. And sixth disadvantage is uncertainty in prediction of new elements. So these were some of the advantages and disadvantages of Mendeleev's periodic table. So because of these disadvantages, Mendeleev's periodic table was also rejected. Then came modern periodic table. So in the next class, students, will discuss about the modern periodic table, which is followed now. Okay.